So hey there. So I just thought I'd do a quick little short. So I'm out and about my driveway doing a little bit of work on the Jaguar, and I'm trying to pull some shocks and install some shocks essentially on an older car in southern Ontario, where you're going to find that, well, just about every bolt's going to be coated in rust and corrosion. You're going to bang the living daylights out of it, buy yourself an expensive tool to get them loose. But the one thing that I would probably recommend is pick up a little thing of Jigaloo and also some WD-40. What I find is if you do this 2 or 3 days prior to working on the car, spray everything down, throw WD-40 on it as well. It seems to at least give you that fighting chance that you might be able to get it off with an impact gun, just so you're aware of it. Make sure that you also remember to bring along your extension bar so you get a little more leverage on the bolts. So again, it's just one of those things that if you're out in southern Ontario or anywhere where there's a little bit of road salt, brine, you name it, all these fasteners are going to be back with your shock absorbers, are all going to be pretty tough to get off. So just be aware of it. Give yourself a couple days, spray it down, get it nice and loose. You might have to put a little heat on it as well. I'm lucky, I didn't have to, but it's one of those things where it was on the potential to-do list. So this could be a very easy job with a little bit of prep, or it can be a bit of a nightmare where you're banging your knuckles and having a hard day, right? So just be aware of it. So spray everything down, take your time, get an impact wrench, helps out a lot. Again, thank you very much for checking out my videos. I do greatly appreciate it. Have a pleasant, enjoyable day.